High earners, not rich yet. The term high earners, not rich yet, Henry, was first introduced by Sean Tully in 2003 in a Fortune article discussing the alternative minimum tax's impact on individuals earning $250,000 to $500,000 annually. Over time, it became associated with individuals, often millennials, earning six-figure incomes but with low savings and the perception of not being wealthy. In 2020, Melkorka Lissé elaborated on this in the New York Post, highlighting how Henrys enjoy a high standard of living yet struggle to save effectively. Henry individuals typically have above-average incomes but maintain negligible or no savings due to their spending habits. They perceive themselves as middle class due to high living expenses, often choosing branded goods and luxuries over financial prudence. This lifestyle, combined with potential debt from credit cards and student loans, leaves them financially vulnerable.
Right now, Calkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Despite their income, they live paycheck to paycheck, creating an illusion of being less affluent. Luxury brands target Henry individuals due to their disposable income and future earning potential. These brands aim to build loyalty by appealing to their preference for premium goods. However, this targeted marketing often reinforces Henry's excessive consumption patterns. To improve their financial situation, Henrys should prioritize building net worth by addressing debt and reducing discretionary spending. Starting with high-interest debts, they can reallocate funds towards savings and investments. Cutting back on luxuries such as frequent dining out, branded goods, and extravagant vacations can free up resources for asset creation. When purchasing assets like homes or cars, opting for practical rather than luxurious options can help minimize liabilities. Implementing a budget is critical for expense control. By tracking spending patterns, debt repayments, and allocations towards savings and asset building, Henrys can set short-term and long-term financial goals. This approach ensures financial discipline and lays the groundwork for transitioning from high earners to genuinely wealthy individuals. For more related videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.